Earth observation satellite. So you understood a communication satellite. Basically, it will act as a reflector. Transponder receives, processes, sends it back. Receives, stores, let the satellite move a bit, reach the target, send the information. It behaves like that. When we come to second type of satellite, the Earth observation satellites. Earth observation satellites are for observation. They're basically space-based cameras. Have you used Google Maps? It also provides you a satellite view. One is the map view, other is the satellite view. In satellite, you could have actually, so those images have been taken from satellites. You'll be able to identify your hometown, your home exactly on that Google map. That work is done by Earth observation satellite. Taking pictures, map making, identifying resources, like these satellites can also play a role in detecting whether cyclone would occur or not, because they'll look at the surface of the ocean to understand what is the temperature. They can also be used for monitoring of cropping pattern. Okay, in this area more wheat has been grown, more grain has been grown. They can also be used for let's say understanding the damage, like a flood came, 15 days later greenery has reduced. The satellite can look at it. By that it can understand, okay, there has been a lot of damages. A question on this was asked in 2018 mains, 2019 mains. Earth observation satellites, या satellites say we can identify the chlorophyll levels. Greenery, chlorophyll levels. राइट तो आप ऊपर से देख के जो भी कर सकते हैं. All those things are possible by Earth observation satellite. These are also like Cartosat are the satellites which are used to take pictures and help in map making, but they also can be used for military purposes. For example, when India did surgical strike, it took help of Cartosat 2, the satellite. Using the images taken from Cartosat 2, we were able to plan our surgical strike into POK then. So take a broad approach. What will be its function? In every area, you will be able to find its function. Okay, now if you look at Earth observation satellites of India, if you look at Earth observation satellites of India, the Indian Remote Sensing 1A, IRS satellite 1A9, which was launched in 1988, was our first remote sensing satellite. Now we have a number of these satellites in sun synchronous orbit. For example, EOS-01. We just spoke about EOS-01 yesterday. This is the latest communication satellite that we have, Earth observation satellite that we have, that was launched using PSLV C49. See, now आपको ये चीजें how many times have I repeated it? PSLV C49 has launched EOS-01 in November. PSLV C50 has launched CMS-01. So it doesn't remain factual now. ऐसा नहीं कि याद नहीं करना है. न्यूज में, while studying PSLV, while studying satellites. So it will be very easy. Even if a factual question is asked, you'll be able to answer it. Analytical, you'll definitely be able to answer, but factual में sometimes these kind of things we have to know. Okay, so these are our Earth observation satellite. EOS-01 resource sat 122A. The name itself says resource observation. So by default you can say that low Earth orbit में होगा ये. These are Earth observation satellites. Then Cartosat, name tells you that it is an Earth observation satellite, may be used for map making. Cartosat 1, 2, 2A, 2B, etc. are all. Cartosat 3, it was launched in November 2019, less than 1.5 years back. It is a advanced version of Cartosat. It's the next generation of Cartosat. It takes pictures, it gives you better resolution. RISAT, radar imaging satellite. Radar, so sometimes what happens, normal cameras and all those things, if clouds are there, you'll not be able to take pictures, understand what's below the clouds. But radar is able to do that, and there radar imaging satellite are used. So radar imaging satellite 1, radar imaging satellite 2, radar imaging satellite 2B, radar imaging satellite 2B-R1. 2B-R1 was launched in December 2019 with the help of PSLV C-48. So you can also see PSLV C-46 and C-48 के launches क्या थे. These were radar imaging satellites. The radars allow you to, even if you have blockage, cloud and all, it will allow you to go through that. And that's why, see, fundamental basic understanding is required. Otherwise, you will make fool of yourself like Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In the interviews he said, उस दिन बादल छाए हुए थे, something like this. So I recommended, let's strike now. Radar will not be able to identify our planes. Getting my point? Why Prime Minister Modi's lack of scientific knowledge made him a fool in front of the whole nation? झूठ बोल रहे हैं, but उन्हें नहीं पता कि scientifically radar can even see through the cloud, so that will not be a factor, right? So radar imaging satellites can even see through the clouds. Now, OceanSat, does the name itself not tell you that it will be an Earth observation satellite observing ocean? Megh tropics, Megh, बादलों को observe करना. Tropics is the name for बादल or for Megh, for clouds in French. So it's a Megh tropic is a India-French collaboration. Okay, as a hyperspectral imaging satellites. Hyperspectral imaging satellites are like, जैसे हमने बोला ना, Cartosat is the next advanced version of, or high throughput satellites are advanced version of communication satellites. In the same way, hyperspectral imaging satellites are advanced version of Earth observation satellites. They'll be able to give you more detailed images. So these are all Earth observation satellites. Sometimes Earth observation satellites are also placed in geostationary orbit. So some INSAT series of satellites can also be used for Earth observation purposes. INSAT series is generally for communication, GSAT series is generally for communication, but some of them can be used for Earth observation also. Okay, now what is the application? सारे applications हो सकते हैं. Application covering agriculture, water resources, urban planning, rural development, mineral prospecting, environment, forestry, ocean resources, disaster management, all those things. Like, these are very broad. Now, if you are able to see Earth from the top, what can you do? This is the question. If you are able to observe Earth from the top, what are all the things you can do? So here you cannot cram it. In preliminary examination, you'll have to use your common sense, right? And go as broad as possible. Do not think, chlorophyll identify कर पाएगा क्या? हाँ, कर पाएगा. Become like, think very broadly. Can a satellite do this? Yes, it will be able to do it. Groundwater, yes. See, it's not simply that when we say no, it's taking pictures. It also has instruments which allows you to understand what is inside. So if there are minerals inside, if there is water inside, it will be able to play a role. Okay, some recent launches, EOS-01.